everyone, it's Olivia, and today we're going to talk about something that happens to every English learner. You learn new words, but then you forget them. Does this sound familiar? You study vocabulary, you write it down, and a few days later, it's gone from your memory. But why does this happen? And more importantly, how can you fix it? In this lesson, I'll explain why you keep forgetting English words and show you exactly what to do to remember them forever. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's start making real progress. The first reason you forget English words is lack of repetition. If you only see a word once, your brain won't remember it. You need to see, hear, and use a word multiple times before it sticks in your memory. That's why passive learning, just reading a word, doesn't work. Instead, you need active repetition. Repeat after me. I will review new words every day. I will not forget what I learn. The second reason is memorizing words without context. Many learners try to remember long lists of words, but this is not how our brain works. Words are easier to remember when they are part of a sentence or a real-life situation. Instead of learning delicious as a single word, learn it in a sentence. This cake is delicious. Let's try it. I will learn words in sentences. Context helps me remember new words. Another big mistake is not using new words in real conversations. If you don't use a word, you lose it. That's why it's important to practice speaking and writing with the words you learn. You can talk to a friend, write a short paragraph, or even say the words out loud to yourself. Let's practice. I will use new words in my daily life. The more I use a word, the better I remember it. Next, let's talk about associating words with emotions or images. Your brain remembers things that are interesting or emotional. So, connect words with strong images or personal experiences. For example, if you learn the word excited, think of a moment when you felt excited, maybe before a trip or a big event. Try this. I will connect words with emotions. Strong memories help me remember new words. And finally, stay consistent. Learning new words is not about studying for hours in one day and then forgetting about it. It's about practicing a little every day. Even 5 minutes of reviewing vocabulary is better than nothing. Let's say it together. I will be consistent in my learning. Small steps lead to big improvements. So, my dear students, now you know why you keep forgetting English words and how to fix it. Repeat words, learn them in sentences, use them in real conversations, connect them with emotions, and stay consistent. If you follow these steps, you'll never forget new words again. Let me know in the comments, what is the hardest English word for you to remember? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our playlists for more English practice. Keep going, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.